Hi guys, welcome to another episode of our Naija podcast. My name is Gloria Zegar. With me on the show I have
They call me the Steve Headmaster.
Naso.
The man with the biggest head, you know.
And I'm Charlton.
And
My name is Theodore.
Theodore.
Theodore. Welcome to the show, guys.
Thank
So
you.
today, we'll be talking about why it is hard for us, like the new generation, to be committed. It's really, really hard. Yeah.
Well, I wouldn't say.
American.
Sorry,
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't want to start with we. I feel like it's hard for you girls to commit.
What does this have to do with gender again? No, we're not talking about gender. What does this have to do with
I
gender?
know I'm not talking about gender, but me, I'm just making a point. And my point being, the males are more committed than the females. That's my
No,
point.
that's not true. That's not true. I don't agree with you.
You are entitled to your
Male-
opinion.
male-
I don't agree.
Oh, that's mine.
Males are actually more committed than
That's mine.
females.
Really?
I actually agree with what
Really?
you said. Yes.
Do you know how many?
that-
Do you know how
no,
many
no,
guys
that-
want a
Wait,
situationship
you
out
don't
there
understand-
these
You
days?
don't understand what I'm trying to say. Males
Can I
are
ask you?
actually very-
Can I ask you that? Can I ask you a direct
Please
question?
go ahead.
For the past 4-5 months, or let's round it up, for the past 6 months, how many guys have walked up to you and tell you they want a relationship with you?
I can't even keep count.
Very good. Meaning there are so many numbers.
No,
Hold on.
wait.
hold
No,
on. Let me-
repeat the question again.
My question is,
Okay.
for the past 6 months, how many guys have approached you
Yeah.
to be in a relationship with you, serious relationship at that? How many guys in your timeline?
6 months.
Past 6 months.
I personally.
Not so many.
Not so many, but
Yes, not
at
so
least
many.
you've had.
Let's
you've
say
had-
let's say
Hold
let's
on,
say,
I
let's say
think
4.
your question. Wait, hold on. Your question is actually. I've kept calm since.
Yeah.
Your question sounds like an attack rather than dealing with
Exactly.
The
exactly.
issue. The issue is what I'm trying
the issue.
to.
I don't think it correlates because.
Are you? Me, I'm
No,
saying.
Leave Charlton, leave him. He
Oh,
always
that's
likes
what
to,
it
no,
was,
he always likes to,
because-
he likes to make the point.
You don't make an
We're not
agenda
talking about
war.
it.
Just
Exactly, we're
stand
talking
down.
about it
I
generally.
don't make an
But
agenda.
Charlton will try to look for a way to channel it to me. So
No,
let's
because
talk about it.
you are starting it in a way that makes it
No.
look like the guys are the only ones that have the commitment problem, or it's
No, but
it's,
that's not what I said.
Baby.
That's not what I
okay.
said.
Okay,
I
I rest my
I-
case.
I
I rest my case.
said-
Can you go back to what you said?
Okay, I said these days. I
Okay.
didn't say female or male. I just said that we all have commitment issues. I mean, this generation, it's very difficult for you to actually get people that are willing to commit. They all want to be in a situationship. They want to get girlfriend and boyfriend benefits without being in a relationship. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And we see all of that every day, even in Abuja that we stay. You get me. No,
Ha!
but
About
it's the truth.
you don't they bring Abuja
but
now.
no, but it's the truth. Everywhere you turn is a situationship. Someone is telling you, "Oh, I like you, but I don't want a tag.
Yeah.
I want us to be in a situationship." They're not practically calling it a situationship, but then it's sounding.
So
They don't want to tell you.
Don't you think it's better or it's the best thing if it happens that way, rather than you saying that you want to involve yourself in something and now get disappointed?
Yeah,
much later?
that's what we're talking about.
Wow.
That's exactly what we're talking about. We
Yeah,
know,
but
like,
why-
no,
why
no,
does
that's
it sound
what-
like you're speaking from
that's
experience?
exactly what we're talking about. That's why it's a topic that we're discussing in the studio today.
Okay, I'm going to stand. I'm going to stand at the part where I think young youths like you guys. I remember when I was.
Okay.
I like that.
I remember when I
Word.
was younger. Commitment wasn't like a big deal, but now the generation is so lackadaisical when it comes to fighting for what they really want or what they really think they deserve to, be involved in. I don't know what the problem is. Or are you guys scared of committing to one person, or are you guys scared of the long-time commitment? Well, if you know it be the problem, I beg.
Well, I'm going to say that one of the reasons why people don't commit that much into what we are talking about today is because over the years, I think our culture has been deviated from what we are supposed to look at it
Culture.
like.
This has to do with culture.
It has a lot to do with culture.
You can know a
Really?
man who doesn't want to commit from his dad's
From
yeah,
the
talk.
I get
Okay.
you
This
can-
guy
you
does
can-
not have
you can say
commitment
that,
in him.
I'm saying that from experience. You
Okay,
understand me?
please.
They you I'm taking it back to culture in the sense that um, during when my mom and my dad used to cut themselves before getting married,
Did they even do courtship that time?
they did.
Do they?
They
Because my
did.
parents
My
didn't.
parents
did.
not so.
They did. I don't know about yours, but I'm
My
saying
parents
mine
did
did.
not.
But all through
Mine.
the marriage, they were committed. but
Yeah,
they-
you don't
but
get
they
me.
didn't,
Yeah.
yeah.
Regardless
Yeah.
of courtship or
But they
not,
did not
they were
cut.
always committed to each other. Now we are in a generation where we are ruled by what we see online,
Work.
what we see happens in the Western world.
I think
Hold on,
I disagree
hold on,
with you.
Headmaster. I know say you are big enough to cover the whole place, but make I make my point before you interrupt me. So
Nice one, nice one.
one, no problem. So
Is that one?
what I'm heading to here is that we get too influenced by the Western world these
Right.
days,
Right.
and most times the Western world are always 3 or 4 steps ahead of us. So when you are always trying to imitate someone that is steps ahead of you, there's always you must come to a hiccup, or you must come to a point where you know, oh, what do I do now? I have no idea about what to do when I get to this spot.
Yeah.
You must get to that point. And I guess that's what's happening with us, because I wouldn't want to put it on commitment per se. I think is the general concept of love for money that has swayed. commitment.
I actually totally disagree with you. I
Me
think
too.
men these days
I
are
mean, I
very lazy
disagree.
when it comes to
Exactly.
commitment.
Exactly.
Since we want to play the
Exactly.
gender role here, I think men are lazy
Thank you so
when
much.
it
May
comes
God
to
bless
commitment.
you.
Let me give you an
Headmaster.
idea, yeah.
Okay.
A girl on her own, just a fine girl living her life, a guy walks up to her, or maybe via walking up to her, or via in social media chatting her up. When it's at the beginner stage, they always do this thing. Like
Talking stage.
Flavor said, ebidozion ato.
What does that
Then
mean?
when it gets to a
What
part
does
where
that
you're supposed to
mean?
put in ebidozion ato, meaning when it's like newly, it's always
Okay.
sweeter.
Okay.
You know, like for example, now if you buy new phone, you understand, it always sweet after like 1 month, waiting
Not
day
the
there,
next
and you
Yeah.
understand.
phone,
Yeah.
I get you.
The same way if you buy new pants, you understand, you could wear them steady. You can't get tired of the
Buy
pants,
new
you understand.
pants, wear
That's
am
what the
steady.
pants,
Calm
new
down.
pants, new pants, the
Yeah.
hungry piece now.
An illustration.
Normally, no.
Okay, fine.
Over-
Okay, maybe
as
I
a-
get
over
what- I
exaggerate.
get
Make
what
I
you're
no,
trying to say.
make I use
I
myself
get what
as an
you're trying
example
to
now.
say.
If I buy new bossa now, once I wear them, I don't wash them for bedroom. Give am 2 days, I wear them again. Like that bossa go dey sweet to the wear. No, nah, normal thing. Bossa dey
Okay.
sweet to wear.
Okay,
fresh.
okay.
Now the same way men wey be say even I go toast girl, like you are wooing a girl, you go from messaging her, you go from singing, you go from date. Some Nigerian men are not even going on dates. They don't even know what. And they
Honestly,
tell one guy say
honestly.
going on dates is different from who come out.
Exactly.
Say man carry you go be a pal, no mean say when I come out.
Wisdom.
It's not a date.
Yes.
So
you're
there are
right.
things our Nigerian men I think they don't know. You know I'm well traveled, so I'm speaking from experience of being
Oh, wow.
traveled.
Tell them, boss.
I've been as far as
Tell
Anambra, Werenta, Atalanta. I've traveled. You understand?
All this your echo. All this your echo you are doing. You come down very low.
Okay.
why would you come? Why would
See,
you come down very low?
Headmaster,
Why?
yeah.
He's trying
I
to
get what you're saying.
You
100.
know
Oh, no,
get
hold on,
me.
hold on.
No, no,
now,
no.
yeah.
Why,
No,
okay,
let
why,
Headmaster
why,
finish.
Can I
why,
say something?
make
Can I
I
say
finish, make I finish, May I give you an instance, yeah? If you dey with a girl and you invite her out for the first time, maybe invite her home. Most 90% of Nigerian guys these days, once they want to invite you out, when are you coming to see me? After 2 weeks of chatting. Is your house a seeing point?
Exactly.
Now, cinema now.
I don't
Exactly.
understand. Let us Netflix and
Yes.
chill. You are looking for somebody's
Do you
daughter
want
to
to
get
Netflix and
pregnant.
chill?
Okay.
Yes,
Can I make a
yes.
point now?
Yes, what
Yes.
is your
Can I
point?
make a point now? What if that within that 2 weeks, even if you never see that girl, but that 2 weeks where they try cut girl that you are supposed to date, within that 2 weeks where you never even see you I see girl don't bill you
No,
200K.
but I will tell you for a fact.
Hold on.
That's
It
not.
depends
that's
on the
not-
kind of girls you're
exactly,
dating.
Exactly.
For real?
It depends on the kind
Are
of girls you're dating.
you going to
Why
look
you
at
do
me
like
in the
that now?
face
Yes,
Why
I
you
will.
and tell me that's
I
not
am.
possible?
Yes, I'm looking at you in the face and I'm telling you that's not possible.
That
Ose,
what?
you're a
That was
baddie.
not
No,
what?
that's not
You're a
possible.
baddie, so you
Okay.
should
I'm
know
serious,
better.
that's
Body
not possible.
kind.
Okay,
That's
guys.
not pa-
Okay,
that's
guys.
not possible.
Hold
Why you
on.
talk like this?
Hold on.
Hold on. Let me play father figure role here. You are saying that's not possible. You are
not
saying
possible.
that's possible.
So possible.
As a father figure here, let me
I've
balance it
practiced
for
in
you.
that
Okay.
I think it's
Me, I have
possible.
something to say.
Now, let me
I
tell you-
actually have
No,
something to
Do
say.
you know that these days?
No, I
Do you
have
know that
something
these
to
days, just normal good morning to a
You're
girl,
billing.
they don't believe. Now, this is one thing I need to advise guys to do. When you chat a girl up for the first time, she said, "I'm fine." You ask her, "Are you sure?" She said, "Not really." Run.
Yeah.
Wait.
Then for
wait,
a guy,
wait.
once you dey chat a girl up, I don't think 1 week chat or 2 week chat they're already inviting her to come to the house. I think it's always wrong. So this is a balance,
that
yeah?
one, yeah.
This person wants something, this person wants something. So why would they
Can I-
complain?
Of course.
Can I come in,
You know
please?
Okay, go ahead.
Now let's look at it from this perspective now, from a lover's boy perspective.
Okay,
Yeah?
you're the lover boy.
Wow.
You.
I'm not saying I'm a lover boy, but I'm
Okay.
saying let's look at it from a lover's boy perspective
Okay.
now.
Lover boy, we didn't break
You-
your
you-
heart.
They don't break my heart, though. You go mind yourself. So back to what I was saying now.
Okay.
Yeah.
You meet a girl, you like the girl. It's obvious. Get me? And there's mostly one or two things a guy like wants when he meets a girl. Either you want something long term, or you want something real quick, short time. Now, most times for guys, it's always for short time until you see something more attract or something you desire in a woman that makes you look at that person for long term. Because I can't tell you that you see someone a day or a minute and you are already thinking long term. There must be something that attracts you to think long term. Oh, sorry, don't
Okay.
interrupt me, please. Or
Okay.
anybody.
All right, go ahead. No, because I need to say it.
So
No, I need to
hold
say
on.
because
Hold on.
it's in my chest.
Yeah.
Hold on, please. Before you release everything that's on your chest, yeah.
Okay.
My point being is that in as much as there are guys that do these things, Headmaster said, like him, we don't look for commitment, we don't try give commitment, work for them. I'm saying that for a guy to, I've tried my best to commit to certain relationships, and I'm saying this from experience. I've tried my possible best to commit to certain relationship that I feel. You're about to say something.
Charlton.
And
Charlton.
I think it's about to piss me the fuck
Charlton.
off.
Charlton, wait.
Hold on.
Do you know that you're among the 1% of the 1%?
Are
that
you
do
serious?
these
You
things?
see my,
Yes.
you see my problem when
I'm
it
not
comes to you
saying-
guys.
no, you know
See
when
my
we're talking
problem.
about
How
this-
can you tell me
no, when
I'm
we're
the
talking
1%?
about-
So you're
you're
telling
the
me
one-
out of
I'm
a
telling you-
100%,
I'm telling you, you're
young
the
lady,
1%
you're telling me
of the 1%
out of
that
a
do this.
100% amount
I am
of guys.
telling
Hold
you.
on now. Let
For
me
a
get your
fact.
maths. I want to get your maths straight. Out of a 100% of men, only 1% of men go through what I just stated out right now.
100%.
Out of a 100%, just 1%.
100%. I'm telling you.
A 1%
Yes.
go through
Yes.
what I just said now.
Yes.
You are arrogantly in the wrong.
I'm not. What do you mean?
You are-
No, wait. What does arrogantly wrong mean?
It
First
means
of all,
you
I
are
want to
so
understand-
wrong
No, that's
that you
not
are wrong
true.
in an Agbero way.
Hold on.
You are wrong in an
Hold
Agbero
on.
way.
Let us not.
Because
Hold on.
Headmaster,
Let us not get our
I don't,
tempers.
I don't understand.
Hold on.
You can't,
No, I am
don't,
pissed because
don't,
wait,
Hold
wait,
on,
wait,
guys.
Charlton.
I go
Hold on.
vex.
Hold on,
I go
guys.
vex.
Charlton.
It
Hold
passes-
on.
Ah.
Hold on. Let's do this one after the other. Please, the panel from my right,
Thank
can
you.
you continue?
Okay, thank you. Because
Me,
you
I
said,
go throw
you
punch
said
for you.
no.
Because I don't understand the
No,
talk.
Charlton.
Hold on,
You
it's
said
not your
everything I want.
turn. Panel from
Let
my
me
right,
talk.
please.
So,
Yes.
let me talk.
Let me talk.
Thank you. So, for Charlton asked the question.
Yes.
Yeah.
From 6 months, yeah, the not faithful. What's the question again?
I asked you for
The
the past
percent
6
of
months,
guys have asked
the
me
percentage
out,
of guys
yeah?
have asked you out via social media, not
So
in
why
person.
didn't you ask me the amount of guys that have asked me to be in a situationship with them? They don't want commitment. They don't
Another
want to-
angle.
I'm telling you, if I have like 10 guys asking me out in a month, 6 of them are asking me to be in a situationship with them, not
Wow.
a relationship. I'm telling you for a fact.
Anybody.
And I'm telling you,
Anybody.
truth is,
Anybody.
I will still tell you
Can
that.
I ask you? Can I
Please
ask
go
you?
ahead.
You
Can I
see
ask you a
the
question?
way we just
Can I
you see
ask
the
you
way
a
we just
question?
relax. Come be like saying a husband and wife dey
Eh?
quarrel.
Can I ask you a question?
Who just
No,
dey?
hit me.
Have you been or not basically a question? I want to please ask you to do this social experiment for me. You get me? In as much as you have guys asking you on situationships, yeah? How many guys that were, because you said 6 out of 10, meaning 4 out of 10 are not asking for situationship.
Of course.
Now, out of
I'm
that
not
4,
going to deny
hold
that.
on. Out of that 4 out of 10, how many are you paying real attention to those 4 guys
How am I
now?
going to pay attention?
You are
Okay,
not.
okay.
You rather
Four
pay
of them.
attention
Okay,
to
guys,
those
How would
guys
I fall?
that are asking for that
No, that's not
situationship.
true. No, you can't. No, you can't say that because it's a question you ask. You're going to let me answer the question, right?
Wow.
You asked me a question.
It's like we'll bring
No,
both-
no,
we'll
You
bring
get
both
wetin
sides.
I want talk, but I
Because
want
the
hear
way
answer
that
first.
Charlton
I want
is saying-
hear
the way that
response
Charlton is
first.
saying
You get
is as
wetin I
if you
want talk,
already
but I
know.
want hear
No, you cannot. You
No,
cannot
you get
take
wetin?
people
No,
conclusion.
answer.
Okay,
No.
sorry.
Just
Okay,
answer.
sorry.
Wait.
Answer the question.
First of all, you asked me. I cannot pay attention to 4 different guys. It's not possible.
But you pay attention to the
And
6
I
guys
would
asking
not
for
want
about
a guy.
situationships.
Wait, no.
You get
I
one
would not
question where I
want a
want
guy
ask.
that does not want a relationship with me. You cannot look at me. I want a situation.
Papa now, also the
Wahala.
body, you are bigger than that.
It's not
now.
even possible.
Wahala.
Like, take your situationship somewhere else. It's not with me. And I know
But
that there are other.
inside
Wait,
these people
wait,
now,
wait. Hold on,
I'm
guys.
getting to a point that I really want her to answer.
I think you're trying to make this personal. The question is, why are we struggling with commitment
Exactly.
in this generation?
But
My
Charlton
guy.
is
But you've
making
been
it
trying
into
My guy.
gender
Can-
issue.
You have tried
No,
to
no, okay.
personally attack
Don't mind him.
my gender. Sorry, the agenda. Understand? Listen,
Anyway,
yeah. Listen.
Anyway, I'm not surprised if you say it's your gender because you don't turn that way before.
Listen.
Now situation carry you come back. So I get you personally. But
let me
Before you say-
really give you
Charlton,
the
allow
let me
him,
give you the
let-
point you're
allow him,
chatting,
yes,
yeah.
please, go ahead.
Let me tell you what we're trying to address before you start attacking a particular gender. I think both genders now struggle with commitment.
Commitment. Thank you.
This is
That's
the
what I
angle
want
I'm
to hear.
coming from. For example, this is Abuja. When you go to the internet, it's always there's this news about Abuja guys. Abuja guys are this. Abuja guys are that. They are broke. They are fake. They are this. My question is,
how many rich girls do you
for
have in Abuja?
example, if
What do you
a
mean? How
guy,
many rich girls do you have in
I'm
Abuja?
coming,
What do you mean?
I'm coming. How did we
know they
get to
show
the?
off.
Omo,
We need a show off.
it's
Yes.
like there's something going on
We
here.
need to show off.
Can you allow for that figure to talk, please?
Okay, please go ahead.
Now, I think we should focus more on what exactly is the problem. Why are we running away from commitment? And it
Exactly.
affects both genders.
Can I say something?
Exactly.
Can I say something?
Make you know they talk.
I
Can I
don't,
say
I
something?
don't want. I don't want
Don't
talk.
take
Theodore,
it to
can you
one.
say
Don't
something?
take
This
it.
will
Don't
not
take it
be
to
I don't
one
want- no,
gender.
I don't-
Coming from an angle of somebody that does not commit. Why you know they commit? Okay, more use that as an example.
Exactly.
How una
Theo-
take no say I no
Exactly.
dey commit?
Theodore, you
Oh,
don't
so you
commit.
commit.
You
You
know they
commit.
agree commit. So why?
commit.
Now speak from
Yeah,
exa-
the true mouth now.
Wait,
You
now
commit.
speak from
Maybe.
speak from the
Okay,
part of
but
somebody
okay,
when
ma
they
talk
commit.
something, ba.
Talk.
This commitment thing, most especially in Abuja that we're concerned about. Or I don't know, should I say that we've kind of like made it a tradition, generally speaking, not even just about Abuja, but it has now seemed to be a tradition where people feel they can do anyhow, anything, they can just do anyhow, not to commit to this lady or that guy. It has gotten so alarming to that point where one kind of situation where I feel give now person where I know say marry this weekend, even down to marriage, because the commitment now no be even about boyfriend, girlfriend,
Yes,
thing.
yes,
It's actually
yes,
Yes.
yes.
but I know person we marry like today, then next week you see person where I post for my WhatsApp status, you don't ask me how far. Who's the shorty?
Yeah, yeah.
So he don't reach that kind of point where even me I dey ask myself, so if I can't reach that level, say at least I don't marry.
I think for any guy to actually message you and ask you with that girl, it says a lot about you.
Right,
Listen,
right.
you
You
know,
know,
say-
If
no,
you
but
be
we
somebody,
already know,
if
but
you be
we
somebody where
already
they
know.
live upright, person no go get room. You know, now make I ask you
Exactly,
personally,
thank you.
from the angle of
How dare
non-commitment person.
How dare you? No, how dare you?
Imagine
No, I get a point. I get a point.
imagine for
Okay,
example, I be
accept.
preacher. Somebody come to my DM, come ask me who be that. You know, if you
Yeah,
have.
you know,
Yeah,
say
you're
no, my
right.
babe,
You're
no, dey
right.
now.
But
You know,
because
say
say
my
you get
babe
the
now.
personality
right.
of somebody when they
No, but we've
commit.
already
The
established
person
that
not
fact.
already come to you. You know, say you
Headmaster.
get commitment issue for your life.
We've
Understand
already,
me?
we've already established
Una
that
no
fact
know
that
my
Theodore
commitment lifestyle.
he doesn't
So
get
what be
committed.
the
He's not-
part
he's
of
never
Charlton?
committed.
Mo no.
Charlton,
Why
I
you
don't
dey
really, I
do
don't understand where he's coming from because I feel like he's trying to attack.
Until you decide to understand my.
Understand? Okay, what's your point?
Why you
What's
making
your
it a
point?
gender thing?
I'm not
What's your
trying to
point?
know.
Why you acting like you don't know that this whole commitment thing has nothing to do with gender?
Okay.
People would.
It's not
Hold
a
on,
gender
can I
thing.
know,
Actually,
I
it's not a
actually-
gender thing.
It's
no.
not a gender thing.
not a
It's
gender
like
thing.
It's
it
a gender
goes
thing now.
both
Because
ways.
you are
It
the
goes
guy, you don't
both
commit.
ways.
Him Charlton, I don't think he's also committed. So I'm speaking from the angle of our women.
Let's hear. Let's
No,
hear from
but-
Charlton. Let's hear from Charlton
Okay,
because
okay,
maybe
Charlton, why do
committed,
you
know,
think-
let's not
Forget-
jump into conclusion with
Let's not
him.
make it a gender thing. Why do you think commitment is a problem these days? Speak from your own experience.
Well, the reason why I can't put it on being male or female, or I'm mostly saying it from a perspective that females are not committed, is the fact that I'm a guy. I'm a guy that easily commits. you get to meet people that don't want to commit. So you can't hang me on the cross here for saying or speaking about my personal experience. You get me? These are things I've seen in this Abuja. You get me?
He said from a guy that easily commits. They don't give a breakfast back to back.
No man.
So
You don't talk with
everybody.
them.
He thinks everybody.
That's
all
why they
that
attack
are
this
him.
gender.
Yes.
Hey, don't get me wrong, yeah. I'm not saying, I know they talk, say, because let's say this English one, they try to speak the what do I mean, headmaster? Be say, no be say, not just woman, no they committed, or no be say, not just man, because you now come with this talk, say, men, no they committed, based on un agenda. They always get committed. You understand? No, he's a shime. So
He's asking us to type me, ba.
So I don't stereotype you, I beg. I'm giving your personal what you be.
Wow.
So what me at the talk we say about
So do you like me?
regardless,
Do you like me? Do you like me?
You want to be committed.
you know what talk. You know what talk. I will off mic. Come off. You know what talk. As I was saying,
Yes.
what he said was basically commitment, and he was based on the fact that men are the ones that don't want to get committed.
I am standing on
Hold
it
on,
again,
now.
and I'm saying it loud and clear. I
Very
think
good.
most men
The
now
way-
lack
Don't-
commitment.
yeah.
Hold on,
Exactly.
and the way you
And I
stand,
support you 100%.
you are allowed to support.
My
You want to
bad.
Go
Come on,
girl.
come on.
I support you
Girl
100%.
power. This one is for girl power. Take again.
My
Go,
brother,
go,
they
go,
mind-
go.
they want yourself.
100%.
I beg,
I support
talk, I beg.
Theodore, when you see women supporting women, you're not supposed to involve in yourself now.
That one,
Allow
that
women
one is
support
your
women.
business.
Now
That's
they're
your
supposed to support
business.
themselves, no man.
That's your business. That's your business. But you know,
Hold on.
let me
Can I
start
make
an
my point
example for
before you
you.
say anything?
Wait, let me start this example for you.
Okay.
You cannot. It is very rare for you to go to a wedding and see that the bride invited somebody else that they would, have sex with later or before the wedding.
It's very
But
rare.
it's common.
It's very rare.
Yes,
How
it
many
is.
weddings have you gone to in
No,
Abuja?
but it is.
How many
It
weddings
is
have you
common.
gone to in
Guys,
Abuja?
Answer the question. How
I'm
many
telling you,
weddings?
100%.
How
This
many
year.
weddings?
A lot.
This year.
A
This
lot.
year, how many weddings?
How many?
This
How
year, how
many?
many?
No, no.
How
A lot.
many
No,
weddings?
no,
Wedding
wait,
don't attend
a
this
lot,
year?
but we're not talking about weddings.
Speak with
We're
facts.
talking
now.
about
Speak with
commitment.
facts,
No, but I'm
Osas
telling you,
David.
on 100%.
Uh-huh.
Shouting.
My fellow woman, I think this 100% is an exaggeration.
No, I'm not exaggerating. I'm telling you. But
No, I
for a
think
fact-
100%
No,
is
but
an
it is
exaggeration.
rare. No,
Ose,
I'm not
Ose.
saying it doesn't happen.
I think
but it's on a very slight.
now you're
chance.
going to make me
Ose,
to like sound like
my
I'm
point.
attacking you.
No,
Ose.
go ahead. No, it's okay.
Ose.
If you attack me,
My-
attack me.
No one is
Go ahead and
attacking
attack
you,
me. No, but you always attack me, so it's
So,
okay.
okay, if you feel attacked,
You always attack me. Go ahead.
I'm sorry. If you feel attacked, I'm sorry, but this is me speaking my truth, my truth right here. You understand me? Commitment always boils down to individuality.
Okay.
You get my Jack? Always
So,
boils
but
down.
what if
Hold
when
on now.
when
Can I-
that
can I-
individuality
wait
builds
now.
up to a certain
I'm
statistics?
I'm heading somewhere now. You
Go
they block
ahead.
me too much, oh.
Okay, we are
You
listening.
they block me too
We are
much.
Now my head,
listening, we
now
are
my head.
listening.
Now your head, Abi. Sorry, headmaster. So what I mean here is that individuality in the sense that it all depends on the person. Be a man or a woman, it still boils down to who you truly are.
This guy
And
don't they
you-
change his mouth.
I'm telling you.
You don't they
mind
change
him.
your mouth. The
Don't
first
mind
thing
him.
you
The
said
first
on
thing he said
today's
was,
episode was,
"Thank you."
it is our sorry.
I
it is the
still
agenda.
stand to it.
No,
Now
you're not.
women,
Obviously.
they no
Obviously,
get
Stay one
you're not.
place.
No, you're
Stay
not.
one place.
You're
Make
not.
this thunder where they find you
You're
just.
not.
No.
I'm
Stay one
coming.
place.
See, you get what I want to talk about.
If
no,
thunder
no,
won't find you,
no,
stay
no,
one
Is that what
place.
you guys
Make I talk
want?
something.
Is that what you
No,
guys
I talk
want?
something,
Say
but
it,
see,
say it.
may I talk
Say it with your
something?
full
I want
chest.
talk something else. Make you get one thing straight here. Man and woman, everybody they get that commitment issues. But the difference between man and woman, make I talk one thing here. This thing here. Okay. Man own commitment issue now based on that kind of points where he go run in streets, but he no go plan leave the woman. That mean babe.
Can I ask you one question?
But woman own, once she don't go expose herself or
Once
allow
you
herself
don't
enter,
test that new, you understand?
she no mind.
Ain't no going back, bro.
Yes.
Ain't no going back, though.
I just they look tough
There's
now.
no,
No,
there's
no,
no
not
how
true.
she's going back.
Wait.
I know it. I
Listen
talk
to
say
me,
the
eh?
commitment issue, everybody get am. But just say it's a difference now. Say a man will never try to leave his woman, no
Can I
matter
be honest
the
with you, yeah?
escapades we go on for streets.
Can I just tell you something now, yeah? For guys that really have these commitment issues, check it. This is a pure fact. Guys that don't do commitment issues. 80% of guys that don't want commitment are either married or already involved with someone else.
100%.
That's the only reason
That's
they would tell
that's
you. Hold on,
that's not totally right.
Can I say something? I
No, but I agree with Charlton on this one.
80% of men that will tell you
I agree
they
with you
want
on this one.
situationships are either hiding a serious relationship that they have from you as a girl. I don't know that they don't do that kind of thing, but you say you now both ways, so I don't understand.
Okay,
you understand?
okay. Let me correct. Wait, hold on.
Allow me finish first now.
Hold on.
20%.
No mind now.
Get my point.
Bros, no mind now.
No talk yet.
Yeah,
Bros,
you
no
not
mind
listening
now.
now. Hold on, yeah.
No vex, eh?
Charlton, no,
The
let me correct.
The other 20%.
No, hold on. Let me correct. Let me correct the idea you're selling about my image. Alright?
And his brand.
I'm as straight
No.
as the ruler that we used in our primary school days.
No, it's not that. It's
So-
not
that's-
that.
No.
Let
He
me-
just made a
No,
reference.
he said,
I'm just-
something.
he made a reference.
Yeah.
Towards
Okay,
that.
okay,
I need to
okay.
correct that.
So-
I'm a man that's
so-
committed to a very, very beautiful. You know, understand?
God bless you.
Down,
You
down,
see?
down,
Regalation.
You see?
Regardless of all these ones you are
You
saying.
hardly
eh?
see this these
Hey,
days.
hey,
You
hey,
hardly see
hey.
this these
Come
days.
on,
But Sadiq,
I don't mean to
You know,
take
you
the
know,
glory. Come
I
on.
didn't say it though. He started by saying our gender before.
No, see
I just
wetin-
Charlton,
No,
are you
don't
are you in a
understand what
relationship?
I'm saying.
Charlton,
Don't go
are you in a
even back
relationship?
to the
Ooh,
Are you in a
You.
relationship?
I'm not in a relationship.
Why are you not in a relationship?
Well, I'm not in a relationship because I'm not in the best frame of mind to be in a relationship because I recently was
He's
just
actually
served-
not.
You know if he talk-
he
you know if he
has
just
been
talk
ready
to-
to be
No,
committed.
Headmaster,
I
now
was-
you know where Charlton
You know if
is.
you
I
just
was
talk,
recently
which can be.
served-
Because
He's not ready
already
to
they
be
serve this
committed.
Wait,
breakfast. That's
which
where
can be? I'm not
it's
the
coming
best friend
from.
of mine. Which be? Waiting be the frame
They
of your
served him
mind.
breakfast. You don't get it. They served him breakfast.
Why were
no
you served
wonder.
No.
breakfast?
No wonder.
No. Wait. Why were you served breakfast?
No, don't look me. Answer the question. They look me. I know
I
fit
don't
talk.
know. I'm not bothered about what he's saying.
Answer
Now
the question.
the emphasis when she try to put it to the whole thing. Now I don't
Charlton,
understand.
question.
why were you
Why were you
served
served breakfast?
breakfast?
I wasn't served.
Tell us.
Talk to the world. Let's hear you.
Okay, this is it, yeah. Got into a relationship, 6-7 months into a relationship, she got her visa to leave the country, relocate out of the country.
So you think a woman that loves you
Exactly, and it's committed.
and is committed to you will leave you because of visa?
Oh boy, make she go, even if she love me. I be the crazy.
I'm on this age and
Why
time.
you
No,
want
it's
me
not
now?
even. It's not even about leaving.
Make she
This
no
is
come
it.
out.
Is it
She
enough?
saw
Is
something
it
better,
enough to end you?
opportunity to help
wait,
herself.
I will
no.
stop her
But
for
no,
what?
we're not
So-
saying
Which
that.
love?
No, that's not what we're saying. What
Which
we're
kind
saying
love? You don't
is
understand.
it enough to end the
I
relationship?
categorically am
Yes,
saying
ma.
it
It's
now.
enough.
Gloria Zegar, aka Osas body. It
It's
is
enough.
enough to break any relationship,
enough.
except you want to whine yourself
I'm
and
not
whine your
whining
nipple.
myself. Why?
Long distance relationship
It's
is
not,
not
no,
a thing.
I am not trying. No, I'm not trying
I'm
to whine myself.
being-
I'm telling
I'm
you,
telling you
100%
plain
it's
blank
not
here.
enough. It's not enough.
It's not
I
enough.
be like say,
No.
So
be like
I-
say
I
I need
should-
whistle.
It's
Hold
not
on,
enough.
Hold on. Contestant number one.
Hold up.
Contestant number two. Hold on.
Hold up.
Hold on.
It's not enough.
No.
Why? The thing is that this argument, I think we are trying to balance it, but yet you guys are not balancing it. Ose is speaking from an angle of somebody who is not she's not in a relationship. She's
She's not even ready for commitment.
Then
How can
you-
someone that's not ready for commitment?
Hold
They argue
on.
with me.
Wait.
on.
That's my pain.
No.
Hold
I'm just gonna
on.
allow Headmaster
Hold
finish.
on.
Finish, please.
She's not in a relationship. She cannot relate. You just came out from breakfast. You can relate. Now, my point is,
No.
The breakfast was really hot or
Let's take
cold?
it again.
okay,
Let's take it again.
Ose, the body
Yes.
is not in a
Does that mean
relationship.
I've never been in a committed relationship?
She has
Okay.
not.
So if you were committed,
I have.
why did the commitment stop committing?
There are other factors.
What's the factor, please?
What the
I'm not
factor?
about to talk about that. I'm
Why?
not about to talk about my personal
Why
life.
would you talk about
Why would
that?
you
Like
talk-
the
Why don't
other
ma-
factors.
But you
Why
are
would you go
quick.
talk
You are
am?
quick.
Hello,
You are always
hello,
quick
why
to
you go
bombard
talk am?
every
But there are
reason.
other factors.
What
that
factors,
made
please?
us not work.
Okay, please.
But
just
it wasn't committed.
make an
because
please.
we were both committed, but
Please.
it wasn't. It was beyond that.
Hold on, please, Trilos.
It was beyond
What do you
that.
think commitment is? Do you think commitment is seeing your boyfriend or talking to your boyfriend 24 hours a
You
day?
don't. You see that you don't understand.
I want to know what you think
You don't
commitment is
understand
in a
what you don't
relationship.
understand what I'm saying, Charlton.
What do
The
you think
fact that I'm
commitment
not
is
in a relationship right now does
Doesn't
not
mean
mean
you're
that I've
not in a
never been in a
relationship.
committed relationship. I was.
Wait,
I
tomorrow,
was
you better say
100%
una get something for backyard.
So,
before we-
I don't understand.
No, I want to know. I want to know. Somebody should talk to me here. Yeah, what's happening
Come
here?
on, let's have it.
A
let's
father
have
figure
it,
is
let's
I
have
just
it,
argue.
Let's have
Let's
it.
have it. Okay, hold
Let's
on.
have it.
Let me go back to this topic again.
Please.
And this affects us, entertainers. Yeah.
You don't
The
get.
major people, I think, stay away from commitment are our male artists. I can give you
100%.
names.
100%.
And I don't know why they are scared of commitment. I can give you names of our favorite artists who stay away from publicly showing the fact that they are committed. They always hide what they have because they want to have that, people please them in public. So I want to know.
Can I
No, no, chat if
before
you talk. Me, I
you
don't
say
feel.
that, how many of our male celebrities do you know are in a relationship that are hiding it? And I will tell you the countless amount of female artists or celebrities we have.
But wait.
That
I
hiding
think-
relationship have anything
I
to do with
think
commitment?
the
Not
male
to-
But how
artists
does committed
I don't like
are
going
not
into-
committed
No, I'm
more
not
because you
trying
know
to
say
tell
once
you.
they
I'm
marry.
not going
I'm
into-
trying to prove a point. How does having a private relationship have anything to do with commitment?
Oh wow.
Yes.
Oh wow.
How?
That's
Yeah.
actually
Ken, let me
I want to understand it,
let me
please.
answer this question
Yeah.
to you now. Yeah.
Just because I'm not a public person and I don't want my relationship to be out there doesn't mean I'm not committed
Quick
to
question
it.
there. Omotola, she a private or a public person?
I wouldn't know. I don't know.
Omotola Jalade Kendi,
I don't know.
you can't tell me you don't know.
I said I don't know. Is it
Is
by
Genevieve
force?
a private or a public person?
Very private too.
Omotola is also a private
Very.
person.
Mm-hmm.
Rita Dominic is also a private person. Tiwa Savage is a private person.
Exactly.
But we still hear.
Tiwa?
Yeah, no, to an extent, Tiwa is a private person. When Tiwa came out was when her sex tape leaked off online. That was when we got
Honorable
to
member,
see-
cut.
No.
Oh, wait.
Cut.
Hold on.
I don't want to be part of this.
hold on.
I
No,
accept
no,
myself.
come on.
I don't want. I don't.
Headmaster.
No, I don't want. I
Headmaster.
totally.
Headmaster.
This is a disclaimer, please.
Wait.
I remove
Wait,
myself from
wait.
this topic you just raised.
Wait.
Please.
Now,
Okay,
me and you
fine,
get
no
serious
problem.
problem.
No,
Yeah.
Charlie,
You
go
know, come
ahead.
on this my
Don't-
podcast,
oh.
one con they guard your colleagues. We are having a serious conversation here.
Let him guard them. Let's talk. You were heading somewhere.
I
so
was
let's
heading
not-
somewhere.
let's
So
not-
what I mean is that he made a point on the basis that male celebrities, I don't want to use artists, male celebrities have most commitment issues. You understand? It's hard for them to commit.
Yes.
And I'm still yet till today, being a Nigerian, seeing a female artist come out publicly and say she's married. Even Eva that got married some years ago. Eva.
So how does that have to do with commitment? That's
Hold
what
on.
I'm saying.
You
No,
keep.
answer
hold
my
on
question.
now.
How does that
Listen,
have
no,
anything to do
hold
with
on.
commitment?
Can
Just because I'm not out shouting that I'm in a relationship doesn't mean
you
that I'm
don't
not
get
committed
my
to
deck.
it.
There's a difference between being private and being committed to a relationship.
Charlton, I think I
There's a
need.
big difference. That's why I asked you
Of
if
course.
Can I
you
educate
just
you?
why I
Of
said
course.
Can I
hold on.
educate you a little
Sorry,
bit,
sorry.
please?
Can I why
So
I
wait.
mentioned
So
hold on
are you
now.
going to
Why I
say-
mentioned Omotola Jalade Kende is that she's a very in fact she and Genevieve are probably one of the most private celebrities I've seen my whole life. But yet Omotola's marriage is never private, regardless of how private she is.
We're not talking about private. We're
wait,
talking
no,
about
commitment.
Let me
I want
let
to
me
What do you
educate
think
get
commitment
there.
is?
You keep-
Commitment is that thing that actually keeps that
You
marriage
dey- you dey
or
always-
that relationship
My-
together.
my brother.
Commitment is what
Oh my
holds.
God.
Commitment is what holds. If you like it or
So
not.
even though you're
Listen to me,
you're
yeah?
cheating, you're everywhere.
Charlton, I
is
need
the-
you to calm
is
down.
the-
Yeah, let me educate
No,
you
no,
a
wait.
little bit. Yeah?
No, I think he's trying to make a point, and I've been waiting for you to get to the point that you're trying to.
I think
make.
you're digressing
Are you
a
telling
lot.
exactly? So what I'm saying is, are you telling me now that somebody like someone like Davido, we know he's been out there a lot of
Hey!
times, right? No.
Once
no.
again, I
That
sent
he's-
a
that he's
disclaimer.
committed to his relationship.
I'm not part of this topic.
No, I need Charlton to answer me. Are you going to
Yes.
tell me that someone like Davido is committed to his relationship, even though he's been out there? a lot
I
of
said-
times?
hey,
I
that,
said
we all
this-
know the
shout
answer.
out
I
to
say this-
001.
we
He's
all
now
know the
he's
answer
now
to it.
married. Please.
We
I
all
said-
know the
I
answer.
said this
no,
today.
no,
He's
no.
committed.
We
He's
all
now
know the answer
married.
to it.
Can
No,
I-
forget
she asked
it.
me a question now.
And
May
you know, I
forget
need you
something.
to
She asked me a
answer that
question
because
now.
he's talking about.
May
Because now we're
forget
talking
She asked me a
about
question
being
now.
No,
public
you
and
get
being
one
private.
answer where I go give, and
She asked me a question, yeah.
You get one line where I go drop.
Davido,
You answer the question.
Davido,
I'm flabbergasted.
to me,
Yeah,
is committed to his marriage to Choma.
you're joking. Are you?
I am not. I have
Maybe
hold
now.
On. Can I,
Maybe
can,
now.
Can I say
Maybe
something?
now.
Can
Okay,
I,
we don't
Can I make a
know.
statement now? Can I make a
We don't
statement now?
know
Can I make a
that.
statement?
We
Yeah?
don't know that.
Why I'm saying he's
We don't
committed?
know that.
Listen to me. Why I'm saying he is committed to his marriage is the fact that we only heard about rumors of what happened after you know what, that some people came out to talk about his relationship, his flirting with this with that, why he was married to Choma. But
No, even when they were dating. No, we're not
I
talking
don't
about
care.
when they're married. We're talking about when they were dating.
I actually don't
Charlton.
care.
I won't talk
We're
one
talking
thing.
about when
Not
they were
talk one
dating.
thing.
We're
Not
talking
talk
about
one
now that
thing.
they're
You
married.
know-
We're
I
talking
think I
about
need
when
to-
they
I've
were
never
dating.
talked one thing. Not
That's
talk
where I
one
want to.
line.
That's where I want
No,
you to go.
I don't want
That's
us
what
to.
I'm talking about.
Hold on,
See,
hold on, guys.
see,
Hold on, guys. I don't want us
Ose,
to.
hold on, my guy. Ose, you need to understand something as a girl, yeah? You need to understand something.
Don't,
Yes, go
don't call her a
You-
girl.
you
As a
really-
lady.
A lady,
as a
thank
lady,
you.
sorry.
Madam.
You need to understand something there. There's a big difference between being secretive, yeah, about what you have or what you
Of
have with
course.
someone,
Of course.
and hiding what you have with someone.
Wait. It be like it's in my head. I mean, like my head
There's
is correct.
there's a
Charlton,
silent
wait.
difference
First, I want to talk
between
one thing.
We are
being
dealing with
committed to someone,
commitment.
being committed to someone,
Do you know
yeah,
what commitment
being
is?
committed to
I
someone,
want talk
No,
one
I-
thing.
no, I
This
want-
being
video
a private
matter.
person.
I
I
don't
want
want
to
to.
me.
this
I
the
don't
video
like
matter.
no,
You get what?
I don't know
No,
what
no,
they
no.
talk
Let's
about.
leave. I don't want
I'm
to.
about to
I don't
leave
want
this
to talk about
studio
the
because
video.
right now,
Let me talk.
Charlton does not
Let
want
me
to
talk.
listen to
Let
anybody.
me
He's not
talk.
listening to anybody.
I don't
That's what
want
he's
to.
saying.
No, I'm
I'm saying this because of how I feel.
Getting
you-
heartbroken.
Your feelings does not justify anything.
You can't tell me.
They
because-
don't
Listen,
stand that
hold
the
on, logic
breakfast.
is not
You
the
chop,
same
you
thing.
chop, you don't chop
that is
breakfast.
because
Ice
I'm
cold
Exactly.
and broke.
Hold on now.
Easy.
You can't tell me because.
How are we?
I-
Wait, hold
Can you
on.
guys let me
You know
talk,
what they are
please? Can you guys let me talk,
You have
please?
been saying a lot. Can you allow us to
Honestly,
actually
you've been
talk to
talking
you?
since.
Okay, you
Oh,
guys
Can you
talk.
allow us to talk to you?
Cool.
Yeah.
Theodore, you were going to say
No.
something.
No,
please.
that's just one line where I want to base on the video. Now you don't remind me. They say I carry woman. She ain't that man where for carry.
See
You
these people,
understand?
You see them.
So him
Are
now,
you-
he
are
no,
you-
no,
are
no,
you-
no.
are
You
you-
don't
are you-
understand.
are you-
He no
Once
deny
again,
Are
am.
you-
I'm sending a
He
disclaimer
don't
that
deny am,
I'm not part of
oh.
this
You
conversation
deny
that you guys
am.
are bringing up.
You personally.
I'm just talking
No.
about
You
commitment.
personally.
No, nothing now, Naija now.
My point I've been trying to make here is that don't get yourself too confused. Commitment is a full game. You can't meet someone in less than 3 months and you expect them to give you full commitment. When I started having this conversation, I said commitment all boils down to individuality, who you are. You understand me? I'm a person of integrity. Regardless of what you do to me or what he does to me,
So-
it won't stop me from being who I am.
A person of integrity, we don't get
Integrity.
we get
You
commitment
get my,
issue now.
my man, that will not be what I talk about.
You
them.
no get
Commit-
commitment.
see,
Wetin they talk?
you can't-
Just
you
they call
can't-
Davido,
you can't
No,
call
tell me-
Tiwa,
no,
call
no.
Kiss
I-
Daniel.
do you know
Okay,
what-
you never
do
call
you know-
am.
do you know
You
what I
can't-
want to
you
say?
can't
You
tell
just
me-
say you just dey
you
call
can't
people.
Do
You
you
no
know
call
what I want
yourself.
to say?
Okay,
Just
should I talk
because-
about myself?
Why are you wait? We dey talk about commitment. Can't they talk about people they do secret
You
relationship?
get
It
public
does
people
not
that are public,
correlate.
people that are
Nah.
private. No, that's not what
Talk
we're
to
talking
me
about.
about talk to me
commitment.
about commitment. Why are you even you as a person? Why are you struggling with commitment?
Are you? Can
No,
I?
first of all, let's ask him. Are you
You wanna ask
struggling
me a
with
question?
commitment?
Feel
Are
free
you
to ask me a
are you
question, I'll answer
struggling
you.
with committing
The
to
only
somebody?
commitment I'm having a problem with right now is the girl being committed to a relationship.
So you think you're so good enough? The girl has to be committed to
to
you.
you.
So that's what we want to tackle.
Exactly.
Why
That's
is
what
it
we
that-
want to tackle. That's
look
what,
at what
that's
we
what
want
we're
to
talking
tackle.
about.
When you are committed to a person and that person doesn't want to
Commit to you. Exactly.
What
That's
is
what we're
the
talking
problem?
about.
Why?
Individuality.
How can you tell me somebody's private? No, somebody is
Individuality.
public with their
There must be
relationship and they're
something-
cheating. You're telling me that's commitment.
There must be something
No, that's not commitment to me.
fundamentally wrong with you. We make every girl wey
No,
date
no.
no commit to you.
No be every girl.
Headmaster.
No
No
be
be every
It's some
girl.
of them.
So
It's
why
some
be
of
say those
them.
ones where you suppose where you
No.
commit to why you break?
Listen to me, This Nigeria would don't really
It don't
scatter
dawn.
the concept
don't
of
dawn.
relationships.
Of course,
Generally.
we all
It
know
don't
that.
You get my
dawn.
jet?
We all know
So
that.
when we bring topics like this, it becomes too like it is too wide.
So many factors.
You understand? There's so many
See.
factors
Consider.
to consider when you're talking about this. So
You're right.
you can't actually shut what I'm saying or saying down because I'm talking from a point of anger or from a point of experience. You get me? So all I need you to do now for a girl, talk to me from your experience for what a guy did too.
I've told you my experience. but I
Simple.
have
That's
told
what.
you my
Hey,
No, she don't
respect
drop. She talks
yourself.
again.
Respect
Everything. Why
yourself.
one or
But
two?
I
Respect
have-
yourself.
but
Come
I
on,
have
actually,
said
no, they
my
sound
own.
almost
I said-
emotional.
No,
I'm
you
telling
didn't
you,
say
but I have
wow.
told you that-
No,
but I've told
my
you guys
point.
my
Listen,
experience.
listen. Commitment generally, but we can argue from now till next year. You get me? Commitment still boils down to if you are ready. If you are ready, it takes two to tango.
Of course.
You cannot be the
100%.
only one that wants to commit and you think relationship will just go smoothly because you are ready for commitment. It's not possible.
Okay.
You're right, though.
All right, guys.
You're right. You're
Since
right.
we are rounding up
kind of
this
agree with you,
episode,
though.
yeah, I need us to actually.
I have a problem with you agreeing to me at the end of this show.
Charlton.
No.
It
Charlton,
feels like you're
I do not
agreeing
no,
just
wait,
to end
wait.
everything.
Everything that you've been saying, right?
Yeah.
It is what you've said now that I agree with. Every other thing that you've been
Yeah.
saying.
Theodore,
We're not
imagine,
aligning.
imagine
We're not.
10 years later.
We're not aligning.
Yeah, Cynthia, that's how I met your mom.
We are not aligning. Me and Charlton.
Yeah, Okay,
But
guys.
I totally agree with what
Okay,
you
guys.
said.
Okay, guys. Let's round up this episode
Yes,
in this
please.
way. Yeah. You said that the women, when we started this conversation today, you said the women are the more major problem when it comes to commitment, and she
And I
said
it's not gender based.
it's not gender based. I also choose the part where I said men are not interested in commitment these days. I'm a man. I'm speaking from in my perspective, what I've seen. I have friends. I have male friends. I have a lot of friends, both in and out of this continent. And I'm telling you, it's becoming a norm.
Yes.
Now, Theodore is just like, the playboy that's just
Yeah.
anywhere in there.
Before we go off,
Yeah.
Before we go off, do you know it's easier for men? We are mostly tough, but heartbreaks get to men more than it gets to women.
Please, let's not.
No.
Guy.
No, let's
No,
not. Let's
I
not.
want
No,
you to understand.
This part, you go to my woman, shout, give.
I want you
You go
to
to my woman, shout,
No,
give.
we're not talking about
Charlton.
that right now.
Uncolos.
Okay, it's okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being on the show with us. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Of course, thank you.